In today's MLS moment, we'll discuss a Forewarn story. Earlier this year, HBR received reports of a suspicious male visiting Windward area open houses and warning that the individual could be unsafe to agents and open house visitors. HBR quickly sent out safety alerts via e-news to the general membership, notices to brokers, and a targeted email to Windward agents holding open houses. These alerts describe the physical attributes and behavioral patterns of the individual. Here are some key behaviors that agents reported at their open house. This individual stated he had an aunt who was a nurse interested in the property. He lodged himself in appliances such as a washing machine or behind a stove, claiming to have dropped his keys. He offered foot massages. He asked agents to enter rooms first, and he generally targeted open houses of female agents. With the help of our members, we found that this individual signed in using an alias. However, the individual's real name was discovered in homes.com. HBR and HiCentral MLS deployed Forewarn, where we were able to verify the individual's identity, the vehicle information, and even a Kailua residence. HPD was contacted, but we were informed that while the behavior is unusual, no crime had been committed, and that's the reason no photos are displayed in this video. So what are the takeaways from this story? One is the importance of having safety protocols in place. Two, if you see something, say something by reporting incidents to your broker, your association, or even law enforcement. And three, utilizing those MLS safety tools like Forewarn to supply you with the knowledge of someone's true identity and possible safety risk. So in the next slides, let's review the Forewarn process once again. To register, head to the MLS dashboard and click on the Forewarn tile. Enter the email address you have on file with HBR and HiCentral MLS, and then hit the Submit button. Using Forewarn is simple. First, you're contacted by an unknown person or potential client. Next, you enter the phone number, name, and now you can enter the address into the Forewarn app or website. And three, you obtain instant knowledge of information such as property records, criminal information, judicial records, and a new feature is household risk, which lets you know who else may be associated with the property. Ultimately, Forewarn gives you the tools to make an informed decision and the peace of mind of whether to move forward to work with a person or not.